Hey guys, welcome to Let's Get Coding. And today I'm going to start teaching you Python. So, welcome to Python 101. So, why I'm going to teach you Python because of one reason. It's very easy for you guys to learn and it's not that hard. So, let's just get started. First, you will need to go into your browser. I'll be using Microsoft Edge. And then you'll have to type in python.org and then click on enter. You'll go on to this. So now you're going to go to downloads and then click on download Python 3.8.2. When you click on Python, just run the installer. I'll be using Python 3.7. All the functions which I will be telling you that will run on Python 3.8.2. I'll just show you through the installation setup. You click on run or the folder in Chrome, or there's a downloads button in Firefox. When you go there and just click on the file, and then you should directly jump into this, the install Python 3.8.2. Now just hit install now. It should install everything. So as mine is already installed, I won't be going through. So after installation, you will go to start and then go to your Python, go to P, and then you'll see Python 3.8.2, but in my case Python 3.7. So I'll go under it, click on IDLE. There are three more options, and Python 3.7 module docs looks like IDLE. Make sure that you only click the IDLE button. After going into IDLE, you'll be greeted with this screen. This is the Python shell, also known as the interactive mode of Python. Well, we will not be using the screen much. The screen is only for using little calculations. But now we will be using the script mode. To open script mode, you will have to go to File and then New File or Control plus N. After opening this, the first function that you will be learning today is print. So this print function will turn purple when you write it onto the script mode screen. So the print function, what it does is on the whatever line of code you will write, like for example you'll say hello world, it will just come as hello world over here. So let me just show you. So open brackets and then either single quotations or double quotations. I'll be using the double quotations for this and type hello world. Close the apostrophes and the brackets also. Now you're going to click on Control plus S or go into File and Control and click on Save. You will get the Save As screen. Now under file name, you're going to type anything you want. So I'll just type YouTube 1. Okay, so this is my file name. So if if you want, you can just save the extension as you can add the extension for just being safe. If you accidentally click on Python files and all files, and then you can just say YouTube1.py and then click on save, and then go to now you're ready. First, you will go to Run and then click on Run Module. If you're or else you can click on the F5. If your F5 does not work, click on the function key and then click on F5. See, the hello world has come up. So this is how you can use the print function. So let us learn a bit more functions. So in print, you can use many more statements. So for example, if you want to go to a new line, instead of hitting enter, you can just say /n. My name is, okay, so you can write your name. So I will write my name. My name is Shashank. Okay, spelling error. Okay, so this is the /n. So let's just run it. Don't forget to save. So first I'll save this and then I run module, and then see this is taken to a next line. All I've done is put this /n in between. So what if you want to give a tab space instead of just hitting tab 100 times? So you use the same / and then click on T and then say I love coding. So I have typed I love coding over here. Now I'll just run it. So first let me just save it. You'll see in your in this top line you see, right, YouTube 1.py C users blah blah blah. So here before YouTube, if there is an asterisk symbol, you just have to click on Control S or just file and then save. Okay, let me just run this code and run module. It has given a space, 5 spaces. So that's how you can use a print function. Now let's go on to the next one, which is the comma. So for the comma, this should not be within the quotation. So the comma normally just gives you space, whereas you can just click on the space button. Okay. Let's say uh, YouTube is the best, and then closes. Save it and then run. See, it has given a small space over here. So the comma is used for a space. But if you want the comma to be inside the to show up, just remove this comma. Just put the comma inside. My name is Shashank, comma, I love coding. And then see, the comma has come. So don't fret. Now, the next we are going to learn about the input function. It's like this. So in the input function, we'll be learning a few more. There are like more subsections, like the integer, the float, and the string. So first, when you're going to start, you're going to assign a variable. So those of you who do not know what a variable is like a set of like a small letter or a word which stores some value in it. So it's like it can keep on changing also. So let me say A equals input, and then you have to open your brackets and you have to give the question or like a command. So you say enter your name. Close the function. Then write print, open them and say hello, close it, put a comma and write A. because A is the value over here. Now you just have to close the bracket. Click on F5. Enter your name. It's asking me to enter my name. So my name is Shashank. See, it's given hello Shashank. What I've just asked it to do. It just is giving the A. So if your name is like Rajat, Ram, or whatever, it'll just come in. So there's nothing to be feared. So that's that. Okay. Now let's continue. So now there are a few ground rules to pay attention to while you're making a variable. Make sure you don't have any space, any characters, and don't include any numbers. It should not start with a number, basically. So if you want a space, you can use the underscore. So for example, num underscore 1 equals input blah blah blah, whatever you want. So let's learn the second function of input. So this is the int. It goes starts with int. You open your brackets and then say enter a number, and then I put num underscore 2 equals int, enter one more number, and then close it. Okay, so now we'll click on print, open the bracket, and then say put this is just a string. So one more thing, when you're using the print, you use the double apostrophes or the single apostrophe for you use print for the double apostrophe for string. If you want, you can you don't have to put it, but then you won't get a string. Remember, it will just be a variable. So let's just put the sum of the numbers is colon comma num underscore 1 plus num underscore 2. Okay, and then close it. Go to run module. Okay, so I'll tell you why this enter your name is coming, because I have not deleted this. So let me just delete it and run the program once more. I'm so sorry. So I've got an error because I have not entered a integer input. So it's not able to detect it. So I'm so sorry. Sometimes I can be really absent-minded. So let's just put the input, and then remember to close the bracket twice because I've put two brackets, so you have to close it with two brackets. Let me just do the same over here, and then close it. So let's just run. So sorry, actually. So I'm going to enter a number. I can enter 1990 and then enter one more number, so 23. So answer is 2013. Good. It's giving me the answers. So that's how we can use. So the input is used for strings. You can also assign something like this. A equals, wait, let me just delete this part of the code. A equals string input, enter your name, then close it, and then print A, and then run. Enter your name. So my name is Shashank. See, it prints the number. I mean name, sorry. So that's how it works. So that's it, guys, and see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe.